What's happening, party people? I am in Bowie, Maryland. Just a little bit south of Baltimore, kind of on the east side of DC. I'm here for a few days, help my buddy Jose hopefully get that XC70 back on the road, replace the turbo, install intercooler piping, whatever else I left undone a couple months ago. Then I'm going down to Richmond to help Mosey, maybe do a cylinder head replacement. Then I might run over to Roanoke, do an oil pan and a CV axle. Then I'm headed down towards Florida. Might stop through Charlotte, see what's going on there. Any rate, finishing up my laundry for the day. I'm gonna try here in a few minutes to go look at an 850R some guy bought to flip. Bought it off somebody at some kind of estate auction type of deal. So I'm around. If I have some time, man, I don't mind checking out a couple more people, helping somebody on something maybe lightweight. Depends on how much time it takes me to finish up with Jose and his ride. Man, they've had car catastrophe at his place, I was told. So that's where I'm at. That's what I'm doing. I hadn't had many videos to post. Hadn't been doing no work. Cold, wet, yada yada yada. It's winter time, man. I don't have a heated shop that I work out of, so it is what it is. Hope you enjoyed the clips from today. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. I'm having some boosting issues with Panther. It'll go up to 15 and then it'll just start dropping off. See it bleeding down. So I'm not sure what the world's going on. Wagon versus sedan. Here we are, folks, kicking off the Tinker Day at Andrew's Volvo Restoration lot. Constant restoration progress is going on here. We got XC90s, 850Rs, S60Rs, 240s, 850R, and 740 somewhere. Now he's grinding away at some other piece. Oh, wire wheel. What's up, man? Hey, man, that's grease. You're supposed to clean that off with oil eater.
I did.
Red Baron has a high idle. We're going to adjust the timing. We're going to retard the timing on the intake cam and exhaust cam because I'm thinking maybe when I put the head back together, I accidentally advanced the timing. So we're going to move them back one tooth, see if that helps our bad idle. So I removed that strut bar. I'm taking this box out so I can reach this tensioner stuff down here easy with this serpentine belt. Found a great big vacuum leak. Purge valve line was unplugged. And it sounds like it's idling down already. Let's see here. Right before I hit the timing, I noticed the line was loose from the purge valve. So we're going to tie that down first, take it for a drive, and if that doesn't cure it, then we're going to adjust the timing. Took Red Baron for a drive. Man, that car is idling smooth as ice. Believe it or not, it's smoking like a train. Mostly when you first start it up and in between shifts. When you got your foot on the gas, really no smoke, can't see it anyway from driving it. When you let off the gas to shift, that thing puffs out a bloom of smoke that makes the car behind you want to stop. You know, they can't hardly see what's going on in front of them. That smoke is so deep. Mostly when you're like in boost, you know. You got your foot almost watt every time you shift. Boom! Big old plume of smoke. So I think it might be a problem with the PCV. That's my next plan of attack. It looks like I may have replaced those valve stem seals for nothing. You know, never a real bad idea to replace valve stem seals on a 15-year-old engine, but that didn't appear to be what the problem was. So I got beat up by Mike Tyson for nothing. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Red Baron is running good, but man, that smoke situation is bad. So I'm learning more about the PCV, especially when it comes to doing modifications and putting more horsepower and power to those things, man. The more power you put to those things, the more inefficient the stock PCV system is. So we're going to open that thing up, let that thing breathe, and hopefully that'll stop the smoking. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.